Well, I'm gonna talk about the coordination. Uh, Coordination is integrating the activities of different departments and hierarchical levels so that they work harmoniously toward common goals. It is essential for achieving organizational efficiency, preventing conflicts between departments, avoiding duplication of efforts, and ensuring proper workflow. There are two dimensions of coordinations: horizontal between departments or areas at the same level, vertical between different hierarchical levels, supervisors, managers, and employees. Um, All coordinated organization keeps a balanced work environment. Employees understand their roles and how their work impacts with the results. To keep this harmony, it is necessary to consider that authority is distributed within the organization, which leads us to the models of centralization and decentralization.
Now I'm going to talk about the centralization and decentralization. In a centralized system, decision making is concentrated in senior management. This allows for greater control and consistency in policies, processes, and objectives. However, it can lead to slow response to problems and demotivation at the operational levels as they have little input into decisions. On the other hand, decentralization distributes authority across different hierarchical levels, allowing for faster decisions that are closer to operational reality. This fosters staff commitment, motivation, and a sense of ownership. So, a balance between centralization and decentralization is key to a healthy and dynamic organizational climate. For this model to function properly, effective delegation of authority is essential, ensuring clarity of responsibility and autonomy to act without losing strategic alignment.
Delegation of authority. Delegating means transferring tasks, responsibilities, and decision power from a high level to the lower level. Effective delegation includes three elements: assigning duties, creating authority, and creating responsibility. When a leader delegates correctly, they trust their team, give them the freedom to act and make decisions, and maintain proper follow without micromanaging. These practices improve productivity, strengthen employee motivation, and professional development, and they create an environment conducive to effective communication. In this way, well-managed delegation facilitates collaboration between line and staff personnel, ensuring that decisions are made in timely manner and closely related to the operation.
Now, for the last, I'm going to be talking about communication between line and staff. The relationship between line and staff personnel can be a source of collaboration or conflict depending on the quality of communication between them. Line personnel are responsible for operational functions directly related to the organization's core objectives, such as production and sales. Staff personnel provide expert advice and support in areas such as finance, human resources, and technology. A good relationship requires clear, respectful, and mutually understood communication. Staff personnel should not impose decisions, but rather make recommendations. And line personnel should be open to receiving support without viewing it as interference. A fluid and respectful flow of communication strengthens coordination between different levels and areas, facilitating effective and aligned delegation of authority, contributing to organizational success and a positive work environment.